Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you 3 slimes, and this is a paper I made. It says The Slime Show. So the first one I will show you is this crystal clear lab putty. So let's check this out. Whoa. Like really clear. I'm going to take it out. And this one I made. So yeah, we'll check that one out after this clear one. Whoa. Okay, so it says stretchy. Let's see. Nope. It says it should mold and then melt. Nope. It says it's bouncy, so let's see if that's... Whoa. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, they definitely got that right, but let's see if it's moldable. Yeah, very, very moldable. So I found this at Hobby Lobby. I think it's in Nampa, Idaho. So yeah, and I'm living in Nampa, Idaho. So here is this one. Push it down. For rolling it out, I just use a marker. Mommy, can you please turn that down? So for rolling it out, I just use a marker or like a colored pencil or just a pencil. So I just roll it out like a cooking rolling pin. Hold on. Okay. By the way, my name is Avadee. I go to Birch Elementary. I'm in 2nd grade. I go to Miss Ferguson's class. And my friends are Emmett, Brooklyn, Milana, Ryan, Sebastian, Violet, Asa, Tony, Kyle, Isabella, Grayson, Lucas, a lot of those people, but hold on. Devin. Yeah, and the people who are on my bus are the people on my bus are Sebastian and Violet. So comment down below if you're watching this. Okay, so done with that. Keep that there for the other slimes. So here it is. It's very clear, not very stretchy, but kind of stretchy. So yeah, comment down below if this is your favorite, but we still have to move on to the other slimes. So yeah, let's move on to the homemade one. So this is my homemade one. Put it in this little container. Okay, so I gotta get it out. So this one is a fluffy slime made out of glitter glue. So here are the stuff that I used. For the color of this, I used glitter glue that is red and purple, and for the food coloring, I used red and purple food dye, and I used shaving cream, Elmer's white glue, and I used, what else did I use? Water and borax for the activator. Oh, and this makes fart sounds. So doesn't make it very much. Hold on, let me try it. It's not making it like it used to. Well, anyways, that's all for that. And the last slime I have is this. I mixed it all together before the video, like right before the video. And right now I am at my desk, so let's just pour this out. Come on, whoa. Okay, so I think a little bit, maybe wait. Oh, ugh. Okay, so here it is. It's the very watery slime kind of type. Whoa. And you can get this at Winco. It's the Color Goo, Dr. Wacko's Mad Lab. Yeah, that's what it says on the cap. And I just broke a little piece off. So I mixed purple, orange, and yellow. Yeah, and I just know it's gonna make brown. So I just put it in this little storage container with the red lid. So let's get that out of the way. I'm gonna see if this works. Nope, it doesn't. I'm gonna see if Cooper likes it. Oh, well, he fell. So, Cooper doesn't like it, but he likes to lay down in it. I'm gonna bury him. He is dead. Okay, I'm gonna get him out now. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Is there any goo in your yarn here? So, after this video, I'm going to show you all my troll characters that are from the troll countdown calendar thing for Christmas. And it's like every day you get toys. So, after that, I'm going to show you all of them. So, here it is. Here's another look at it. And if you want me to do a pancake art challenge, I'm not allowed to. Because I don't know. Anyways. This goo is just turning brown the more I play with it, so I'm gonna put it away. Hold on. This slime is just so watery. It's just so cool. Okay, so put the lid on this one. Ugh. So I'm going to get all of them out of here. There's some. I'm getting the rest right now. More. Okay, so starting off with the trolls. The first troll is Poppy. She was the very first one I got in box number 12. And the second one I got was Branch. Wait, no, the second one I got was this little comb for Poppy. Let's see if it'll stand up. Guys, I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm gonna get my putty, flatten it out really good, and then make them all stand up in it, because today I was just practicing my video. So push it down, and then let's roll it out. I have to do this fast because I don't want this to be a very long video. That doesn't work if I do it that fast. Okay. So hard to do this. Because like this putty is super sticky and I don't So, yeah, never buy this at Hobby Lobby because it is not stretchy. It does not melt. It's not clear when you touch it, but when you put it back in the container for a day, it turns back to clear. I'm not lying about that. It's actually real. I got this yesterday, and then when I opened it back up, it was all clear, but then I touched it, and it's all cloudy again. Oh, gosh. It smells like rubber. Okay. So, first character I got was Poppy. There she is right in front. And then I got her comb. Stick that. Then I got Branch back here. And then I got this thingy. Hold on. Guys, I'm gonna put all the trolls in the back because the trolls are bigger than the accessories. So I'm gonna put that one right there. And then I got Mr. Dinkles with a little glittery hat. Ah! I dropped Mr. Dinkles. Okay, let's put Mr. Dinkles there. Oh wait, can't see his eyeballs. There's Mr. Dinkles. Okay, so then I got Bridget. She's a pretty good troll. Well, not troll, a Birkin. So then I got Cooper. Got Cooper right here, here, and here. So he's gonna go in the back. Right, put him right there. I'm gonna put him right here. There. So then I got this little guy thingy, I don't know. So I'm gonna put it right there. Then I got this comb right here. Little bow comb. So I'll stick this right here. And then the last thing I got was this star. I got this star today. And today's not Christmas Eve. I still have, like, how much boxes do I have? I still have 2 more boxes to open. It's right here. So I have number 2 and number 1 to open. So 3 more days till Christmas, guys. 3 more days. 3 more days till Christmas. Yeah. Oh. Very sorry. Very, very sorry. Why does my hand look like that? Ew. Okay. Well, anyways, I'm gonna take them out. So, last look at the clear putty. Gosh, this stinks so bad. I see you. I see you. Oh gosh. It's like a mask. Ugh. It stinks. I mean, it's very fun to squish. We missed the color change. It is a very ugly color, and I just swung Poppy around. Let's put this back in. I got slime in here. Let's get that out. Oh, not slime. Putty. And I don't want to stay there. Okay, well. Bye. Wait, where are my other ones?